Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix your Epic Games launcher if it's stuck in preparing screen or you're not able to see anything on the screen. So how you can fix all of that using the web cache. Now in order to do it, just simply press Windows plus R key on your keyboard. Now here in this run prompt you need to type percent local app data percent. Just simply hit enter. Now here in this folder you need to find the Epic Games Launcher folder. Right, it's right there. Click over there. Now here you'll see this option that says saved. Click on saved, and here you'll see this option that says web cache. Go over there and select all the files. Now here in this files you have to select all the files and simply delete all those files. Now once you do it, if some files shows error, just simply skip it, or if it does not, just simply close your Epic Games Launcher and try deleting these files again and restart your PC. Now once you do all this process, when you come back to your Epic Games Launcher, you'll relaunch it and you'll notice that your problem will definitely get solved.
Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.